You built a product. Now you have to grow it. One tool to monitor social, another to plan content. More for tours and highlights, tracking and surveys, chat and feedback, roadmaps and updates. Soon, growing one product means managing 10 tools, 10 logins, 10 bills, and none of them knows what happened in the others. Managani replaces that scattered stack with one connected product growth platform. A social signal can shape your next campaign. A new user sees the right tour. What they do, say, and request stays connected to the same account. Turn what you learn into a roadmap item. Ship it, announce it in your change log, and see whether it worked. You keep the context without keeping the tool stack. Managani, grow your product, not your tool stack. Made by founders for founders. Join the waitlist today.